Chat. How's everybody doing, man? Good to be back. Happy Tuesday. Boom. We're all good. We're all set. Oh man, is it cold in this country? Is it cold in this country? Chat, what's good? How's everybody doing, man? Good morning. Matt Owen in the building as well. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Got my coffee. Got my coffee. I'm staying warm. I'm trying to stay warm. Chat, it's a cold one out here, man. We're looking at, you know what? Let me tell you guys. Let me tell you guys what we're dealing with over here right now. Let me tell you guys what we're dealing with over here right now. We got right now it feels like minus 12 outside. You know what? That's actually not too bad. I thought it was colder than that. But it feels like it's minus 12 and yeah, it's just I'm not made for this, chat. I'm not made for it. It hurts my soul to be out there. Florida cold too for once. Is it really cold in Florida? Let me check the weather. Don't say that. I'm flying out there tomorrow. Don't say that. I'm leaving this cold to go to a place of warmth. Oh my god, never mind. Tomorrow, Matt, tomorrow it's going to be, oh, this is Celsius, so you Americans don't understand, but today it's going to be 24, tomorrow's 26, Thursday's 28, Friday's 27. Oh, look at this, chat. Look at this weather in Florida. I'm going to this tomorrow because we can't stay in this weather no more. Marathon next year, Marco and Matt. Yo, that's a possibility. That's a possibility, chat. That's definitely a possibility. Listen, listen to me. Listen. NFP just dropped, okay? And I have a question. I have a question for you guys. And no one lie. We don't like liars. We like transparency and honesty over here. Who just full ported their accounts? Who just sent it on NFP? Okay? Because you guys don't like to listen. Who did it? Tell me. I want to know. Who full ported this morning? Hopefully the response I get from you guys is nobody. That would be nice. As you said, I stay away. Let's go. Never. Oh my god, we're making progress, chat. We're making progress. Marco, why are you feeling a little burnout? Oh, bro. It's funny you asked that. I was just talking to some people about it yesterday. Matt says I just full ported my espresso machine while I stayed cash. Let's go. W. And I'm pretty sure, chat. 1 second. Let me confirm this on my end. We got, yeah, we have CPI on Thursday. So like, how do I frame this week out? How do I do it? We had NFP today, which to be honest with you, didn't really do a whole lot, which we'll go over. But then, yeah, we got CPI on Thursday as well because of this government shutdown. So I think everything was backtracked and like we're trying to catch up now. It's just so broken, bro. Marco, news on the street is that you full ported on coffee futures. No, I full ported on the future of this coffee to be sent into my bloodstream is what I full ported. Okay? That's the only full porting I'll do is coffee into the bloodstream. Cheers. Please bring back last week vibes again. I really love it. Wait a second. So are you telling me that I'm not bringing the vibes every stream? Huh? Heavy hitters this week, bro. Yeah, Matt. As of right now, chat, listen, I'm going to be completely honest. We'll see how New York unfolds today. Maybe we can catch something, but my higher time frame analysis right now looks like poo-poo. It looks like poo-poo. It looks like caca. You know what you guys do after you drink a coffee? You know how the bowels move? That's what the charts look like right now. They look like poo-poo. What are you gonna do, man? Yesterday, aka being the day before NFP, I woke up in the morning on this Monday morning. I checked the charts for about 54 seconds. Boom, computer off. Boom, off. You think I trade dumb price action? No, thank you. This is my least active trade month of the year so far. Matt, you know what? I'd have to go back and look at my data, but I'm pretty sure I'm pretty close to you as well. I know, was it September? I have to go back and look. September or October was incredibly dry for me. I don't remember which month it was. It was either September or October. But one of those months I was barely trading. However, November was an incredible month and I was actively trading. So hey, month by month we got to take it, week by week. Sometimes there's just not a lot of opportunity for my system, and that's fine. Gotta wait. And would you look at that? We have wifey in the building. Oh my goodness, wifey's in the chat. Here we go. Hi chat. October was difficult. Matt, I'm with you. I believe October was the month of dryness for myself. Gogu says, no, we don't because you stop us. I like that. That's progress right there. Why isn't the soundboard blessing our ears? What do you mean the soundboard's not blessing your ears? Okay. There we go. I'm blessing the ears with Vine booms. I'm 40 and spend so much time watching your videos that now I see you as my brother. What's up, brother? How we doing, bro? I love that comment. Let's go. Marco, how do you overcome revenge trading? Guys, honestly, a great tip for all of you guys in here is for the inexperienced traders. I was just talking to somebody. Oh, the soundboard didn't play on stream. Oh, here we go. I'm getting soundboard issues now. 1 second here, chat. 1 second. Stream deck. So you telling me I'm doing all this stuff with my face and I just look like an idiot now? Fine. Output. Okay, wait, I think I fixed it, chat. I think I fixed it. I think I fixed it. 1 sec. We're gonna do a little test on my soundboard right now. All right. Here's a little clap for everybody in here. Good morning. Now, if the clap worked, that means the stream deck is working. So let's see. 1 second, chat. We're doing a little bit of and oh, this is awkward. It did not work. Isn't working? Yeah, and I can tell it's not working. I just heard it back on my end, and I'm looking like an idiot on stream. I don't know why it's not working right now, man. Wait, maybe I can. I'm trying to understand this. Wait, what did I do last time? Anth, if you can hear me, what was the output I set it to last time? Was it my mix amp, or was it my, does it have to go through my mic? Is it my mix amp I have to set it to go through, or is it my mic? I'm pretty sure, is it my mic? No, I tried the mix amp. Mix amp didn't work. It might be NVIDIA broadcast. Wait, chat, we're gonna try once more. Clap. Bear with me here, chat, for a moment. I'm trying to fix this soundboard so I don't look like an idiot going forward. 1 second. I don't think it's working, bro. Damn. All right, chat. We're scrapping the soundboard for today. I'll fix it out. I'll fix it off stream. I'll fix it off stream. Because I don't remember what I said it to last time, and I don't want to continue doing this because I just am wasting time now. Put the fries in the bag, Marco. Yeah, that's we'll fix soundboard later on, chat. Okay, what was I talking about before? Somebody asked me, oh, how do I stop revenge trading? Guys, honestly, an incredible tip for the new guys out there is 1 trade per day. 1 trade per day. That's it. That's probably one of my best tips because you'll build a lot of discipline that way, guys. A lot of patience. And you'll learn that less is more in trading. I can tell you right now, even from personal experience, very, very rarely do good things happen after I continue to trade after 1 loss. Like if I take a trade on the charts, it's a loss and I continue to trade, very rarely is it going to be a good result afterwards. So what I'm trying to tell you is at the early stages of your journey, honestly, a great skill and a great practice to do early on is 1 trade per day. That's it. I'm not saying every single day trade, but when you do have a setup and you want to take a stab at it, one opportunity per day. That's it. Again, you'll teach yourself early on that the discipline of only taking 1 trade. That right there will decrease the chances of revenge trading dramatically. And you'll learn that actually taking 1 trade, you'll still make exponential progress just taking 1 trade. Because the problem with everybody's perspective early on is you guys have to trade more. Yeah? You have to be on the charts. You have to be taking 2, 3 trades, 4 trades in a single day. Like, no, you're slowing yourself down long term. So, yeah, man, I think my best tip with you is literally just take 1 trade per day in the early stages. You'll notice that your mistakes will decrease drastically. Revenge trading, taking like stupid low probability trades that don't even fit your setups. All these things will kind of drift away. And yeah, there's going to be people in here that are going to say, but 1 trade's not enough. Like, I'm not going to listen to this guy. Fuck this guy. What does Marco know? Blah, blah, blah. That's fine. Listen, you guys do what you want to do at the end of the day. But I'm telling you right now, you'll see a massive difference in your trading if you start taking 1 trade per day. And now I'm not saying that you only have to take 1 trade per day for the rest of your life. No. It's just going to teach you skills. It's going to teach you the vision. It's going to teach you discipline. That's why I'm telling you in the early stages, 1 trade per day. It shows you trading from the proper perspective. And that's what I'm trying to tell you right now. Okay. Now I'm not saying again that you have to just take 1 trade per day for the rest of your life. No. But it will definitely help you. Exactly, Joe. I agree. 1 trade per day along with strict timing. I definitely agree. Okay, chat. Let's hop into some charts. Of course, we're going to hop into our wonderful sponsors. Over here at Apex, got 90% off right now. 90% off at wonderful Apex. For all you futures traders out there that want to save a buck or two. Get your butt over to Apex because they're running 90% off. Awesome. Then we have good old Funded Next for all your CFD needs. All you guys sitting on your phone, spam buying, selling on your MT4 and MT5, okay? Not knowing what you're doing because you're just buying and selling everywhere on your phone. Buy accounts at Funded Next. And then, of course, Tradezilla. The one and only, the best automated journaling tool out there. Do yourself a favor and grab yourself a Tradezilla subscription and join the family. Join us at Tradezilla. Do it. You'll be doing yourself a favor. All right? Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate you. But Apex isn't working in Pakistan, then you got to hop on the plane, bro. You got to move, man. You got to go to a different country. I'm playing. I mean, you don't have to move to trade a firm, but I'm sorry. If your country's banned, it's banned. It's probably, I don't know. It's banned. Okay. Let's hop into some charts, chat. Let's hop into some charts. How's everybody doing, though? Okay, so, listen. We got some things to talk about. Okay? Do we have Do we have good things to talk about? I don't know, man. We're gonna have to wait and see, because listen, NQ looks like dog poo poo right now. However, when the longs are ready, I am very keen on these longs back up. However, this is a higher time frame move, and these higher time frame moves take time. A price can do whatever it wants in the lower time frame for now. Like, it could continue lower. Excuse me, I'm hiccuping right now. I don't know why. Price could continue lower, and if it does, like, to look at the daily chart, look what we're doing on the daily. Consecutive bearish closes back to back to back to back, right? Looking at the weekly, we're trading below last week's low. We've left a bunch. We left a bunch of highs intact, which is going to be, like I said, chat, when the long is ready. The thing is, just because, and listen up here, listen for a moment, all right? Just because I have this long idea right now, okay, of I want these highs to go. Yes, they are a beautiful buy target. It does not mean that I have to immediately start, like, in here, for example. Like, do I have to look for longs in here? Do I have to look for longs in here? No, if I'm not too sure on where price needs to head to on the left-hand side, then just wait. I promise you, this is a higher time frame move. There's not only going to be one entry, and it's just going to boom, rocket, done. You missed it. No, don't FOMO into it. And that's how I have this, like, peaceful approach to the charts, guys. Like, I just, almost like I don't care. I don't care to catch the bottoms. Now, again, if the price action on the left-hand side is not clear to me, and I don't have a good idea of where we need to take out before continuing long, then I wait, because I understand that this move, however it happens, it happens like this. This move here will not happen in one day, and there will not just be one entry. There'll be multiple opportunities on the way back up. Almost always is there multiple opportunities. So with that mindset, that understanding, that takes away so much, like, stress and anxiety, so much FOMO. I don't care to catch the bottoms. I don't. Right? And I've sounded like a broken record from the past. But I don't care about catching tops and bottoms. It's not what I'm in this business for. I'm in the business to make sure I'm confident in my direction, confident in my bias, and that's when I look to take trades, period. Really needed the sound effect there. I know, guys. Listen, I'm sorry. My soundboard is busted up today. I don't know why. I don't know why, man. It's not nice. Wait, you know what? I think I'm onto something here. Wait a second. 1 second. Oh, I know why. I know why. Oh my god, chat. Wait, did I do it? Oh god, wait a second. Chat, I might have fixed this. Chat, I might have fixed it. 1 sec. Wait, did I do it? Ah, chat, I fixed it, man. Let's go. Let's go. I fixed it. Boom. Let's go. You guys thought I wasn't going to have my soundboard today. You thought wrong. You thought wrong. Gamers Edition is on the same level as me right now. I'd rather sit and eat shit than trade on these messy price action. Listen, Gamers Edition, I'd rather sit and chill too, but I'm not going to eat shit. I'm not going to eat shit. I'm not going to lie to you. I'll sit and chill. No worries. I'll sit and chill with you, but I ain't going to eat shit. You know what I mean? That's just a little bit on the weirder side of things. No, I'm not into that yet. Maybe in the future or some shit, but gold is ripping. Here, we'll take a peek at gold. We'll see. Okay, so listen. Wait, look at NQ quick. Yeah, so listen, there's nothing really to look at right now. Gold is ripping. So yes, there is something to look at on gold, okay? These highs up here, which we're ripping for right now, which is unfortunate because a buy position would have been nice on this pair as well. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see on gold. We do have a great buy target, okay? And if it doesn't continue rocketing all session, then there could be opportunity on gold as well. So hold the phone. We'll keep gold on the list. We'll keep an eye, because yes, on CFDs 43.53 is a great target, and we're running for that right now. I believe any bearish reactions we get before these highs are taken out, deem them to be false, okay? A trap. So yes, gold is great to go bullish. IMO in my dumb opinion. So we got those highs, and then of course we have all-time highs as well. That could be a viable target, 43.81. So we got a direction, okay? We got a bias. Now, just because we have a direction and bias, does that mean we're just gonna fucking hammer buys? No, it does not work like that, chat. What a big surprise. It doesn't work like that. Marco, you prank us, right? Of course I'm pranking. That's my job here. Charts doing me dirty. I got 1% to go to secure another funded, which would, in an ideal world, get done before end of year. Hey, man, it would be ideal to finish it by the end of the year. But, hey, if you don't, is it really the end of the world? Nah, it ain't. The thing is, Joe, a lot of people probably have that perspective, and they're going to make a shit ton of mistakes, because they're going to be like, oh my God, then it's going to be Christmas break. I can't trade for 2 weeks, so I have to finish it before the break. And that fucking perspective right there, you're going to blow all those accounts instead. You'll be so close to passing, and then you'll be like, oh my God, okay, today's the last day. We have to pass it today. Boom, mistake, account blown. Now you got to start from scratch. Would you rather start from scratch or start the new year with an account that you only have a couple percent to pass? Guys, stop rushing, period. You rush, you only slow yourself down. That's it. You want to progress fast in trading, boom, you're slowing yourself down. You want slow, consistent progression when it comes to trading. Okay? I promise you, if you look for fast results, it's inevitably gonna bring more mistakes. Because your brain can't handle quick progress in the trading world. There's too many things that go on in trading that it's basically the complete opposite of how humans are wired. So if you progress really quickly in trading, it's inevitable that you're just going to make more mistakes. You want slow, consistent growth. And we've talked about this before, but yes, there's going to be times where you feel like you've leveled up astronomically, and that's fine. You're going to have great weeks, great months. That's good. But overall, you want slow, consistent growth. And I promise you, that is the quickest way to go about trading, the best way, the most efficient way. When do the markets close? Well, they're going to be closed obviously on like Boxing Day and Christmas Day, or sorry, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day. So next week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, definitely markets are closed. And then the 31st and the 1st are closed. So the other days, there's going to be movements on the charts. Is it going to be the cleanest? In my opinion, probably not. Like I most likely won't be on the charts at all. Maybe a little bit, like just taking a peek. But yeah, like next week, maybe I'll be on Monday, Tuesday. Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I'll let the Discord know if I'm going to stream on Tuesday, because the Tuesday is going to be the 23rd. But I do want to hop on and hang out with you guys. Worst comes to worst, we hang out, we chat, maybe we talk about some educational stuff. So you know what, fuck it. Next Tuesday, I'll 100% be on, chat. I'll 100% be on. That's no worries. Marco, do I personally know ICT? I personally do not know ICT, chat. I do not. And I do not want to. No, thank you. All right, we got stock open, but to roll in here in a moment here, chat. Not much to friggin' mark out. I am not going to lie to you. Let me see. Let me see if I can make out what's going on here. So maybe we come back down to 4-hour low, which is printed in London today. At the least, we have internal down here. Doesn't even need to come for it, really. We've just taken out this low from the left. If we go bullish today, chat, we have a great buy target up here. If we go bullish, however, I'm not convinced yet. So these are things I just have to stay aware of. So we have just taken out lows on the left. Nice. Again, the reaction right now. So if we do go bullish, and let's just say what you guys are in buys somehow, some way, maybe from earlier, maybe from London session when I was not awake. Great buy target up here. So 25,443 is a great target for buys. Any content for this week? Yes, I have a YouTube video going out today, chat. I apologize about the lack of videos. Didn't get one up on the weekend. I was very, very busy. But oh god. Ugh. I have a YouTube video going out today. Yes. Yes. What do you mean by buy target? I'm just saying if price does go long, like I don't see much for entries, but I'm saying if price goes long, this is the long target. Marco, gold, please. Gold's on a moon ship, guys, and maybe that's why a lot of you guys are talking about it right now, because you guys are getting induced, right? You got a bunch of FOMO running through that bloodstream right now, eh? Lots of FOMO. In order for me to buy gold right now, guys, is I need price to have some sort of false move down, and we take out some lows, and then you can start cooking an entry on the way back up. Okay, but I need this to occur. So we're gonna have to wait on gold right now, chat. You have to understand that this thing's just continuously flying up. I don't just enter when we're just flying. I need to see some sort of, you can call it a pullback or retracement. I need to see a move to the downside. Looking to sell NAS for a quick 1 to 3. I don't know if looking to sell it would be the best play right now. You can see, look, how 9 o'clock has opened up. We've spiked out 8 a.m. This thing could move bullish right now. I really do like this reaction so far on NQ. Again, I need to see lower time frames cook something up for me, because I can't just enter to enter. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Nicole says I'm in a gold short and I'm nervous. God bless you if you're in a gold short. I do not like shorts on gold. Oh yeah, I was going to talk about German 40 is the other one I have checked off. I want to see German 40 below these lows, chat. Below these lows. Once we get below these lows, I would like to see a long back up to these highs. Okay, so however it ends up getting delivered to us, but ideally longs below here up to here. So for anyone that trades German 40, that's a long idea. A long idea. I'm looking on German 40. Oh, sorry, Jan. That's my bad, bro. I just read your message now. Yeah, so there's my German 40 kind of outlook right there. My bad, brother. Will you sell NQ after the target point? No, I will not. I don't know. I'm just fucking around. Maybe. AUD USD buys. I think I was looking at AUD before and it looks like shit, bro. Yeah, it looks like shit. It looks like poo-poo. Look at this. In an ideal world, in a perfect world, chat, in a perfect world. And this is where waiting. I know a lot of you guys don't like waiting, and that's fine. That's a perfect world right there. And you know what? I like to wait for perfect worlds because then I'm really sure, and then I make good money. I don't like to look for trades in a world where I'm not too sure. Yo, my back is destroyed, chat. Oh my god. I might have to do like a little chill lean back with you guys. Thanks. Do you want to see price below that low because it would potentially induce... Exactly, Jan. I want to see price below the low because it's going to induce sellers. And not only that is I don't want to be trading with that retail perspective, right? So think about this from a retail perspective. You've seen this. Look at this big bullish move we've had to the upside, right? That induces buyers into the market. So They're going to mark on break a structure here. They're going to be looking for longs in here, right? I do not want to be looking for longs in here. This should all be a trap. Okay, so what do I like to do? I like to wait for them to get trapped. I want to see price below so we can trap out the buyers, and then I'll look for those longs back up. So I like to be in these moves. What is the secret behind your private community, bro? That is the not the perspective you need. There is actually no secret. There's no golden key out there. For anybody in here that's looking for some next golden key, next perfect strategy, I hate to break it to you. That shit don't exist, my brothers. That shit don't exist. Big surprise. How old are you? I am 29. I was gonna say unfortunately. I feel like I'm chilling still. I haven't hit 30 just yet. Hey Marco, I think it's a fake move in gold. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think the bullish move is indeed correct. And we are continuing to the upside. 43.53 is my buy target. Now, if we hold the highs, aka we come up and we respect them, then we can maybe see a buy opportunity. But as of right now, look at this hourly chart. 7 o'clock candle, 8 o'clock candle, 9 o'clock candle, just flying bullish. Flying. What's up, Jonathan? How we doing, bro? How we doing, brother? All right, NQ's going long. The value on your YouTube can make someone profitable if they stick to it, to be honest. You know what, Mr. Wonder? I have to respectfully agree with that statement. I have to agree with that statement. There is hours and hours of content on my YouTube. On NQ, we had a liquidity block on 5 minutes and the lowest we got taken. Should we run by? It could go long. The thing is, guys, with the benefit of hindsight, could I have been like, could we have bought down here? You can make sense of it. But the thing is, I was just talking to you guys before. I'm not entirely sure if we go long. The thing is, if we go long, you guys are saying that this is the bottom. This is the extreme. And I'm not in the business to catch these extremes unless I'm highly confident. And like I was talking about in the higher time frames, if I'm not highly confident on where we need to take on the left-hand side, then I don't care about catching extremes. Now, sometimes you see me actually looking for extreme entries. That's fine. That's because I'm confident in the price action from the left. I know what needs to go in order for us to go long. I'm confident in that. Now, again, sometimes this price action on the left-hand side is a little bit more ugly, a little bit more hard to read. And that means I'm not really looking for extremes. That's it. That's it. There's no secret sauce there. It just all comes down to comfortability. A little bit of discretion. Experience. NQPA has been shit. Hasn't been perfect, but... Jonathan says, nothing much, man. I'm looking at your YouTube videos again and training my eyes on the charts. Thanks again, man. Your strat is awesome. Let's go, Jonathan. Get that work in. I hope all of you guys in here, listen, we're about to have like a week and a half of like slow and honestly closed markets. So I hope all of you guys are taking this time to study, put that work in, review your year, refine your system, see what you need to fix going forward, whether that's technicals or psychological. Do you ever look to refine your strategy? You know what? I did a lot, and I don't want to say a lot, but I did in the past. Very rarely am I doing that now. It's more of refining my mindset. So like identifying mistakes I'm making mentally that are holding me back. Maybe I'm taking partials too early. Maybe like, yeah, you know, like I'm always refining my mindset. That's probably my best advice. Because there's always new things I'm learning about myself. You have to understand, like when I go, for example, I have noticed this recently, when I go through a losing period and then I start catching wins, I struggle to hold them to full target. Now, does it mean I never do? No. It just means that I've identified a weakness in my trading where if I go through a losing period and then finally I start taking some wins, I struggle to hold them because of the lack of confidence. So that's something I need to work on. Subconsciously, I'll take a winner after a couple losers and I'll be like, okay, like I kind of want to close it out to like build myself a cushion, right? Cover the losses. No, that's not the mindset you need. And that's something I notice about my own trading. I struggle to keep confidence high when I've just come from losing periods. So that's something I look to refine, something I look to improve, something I look to change and fix. But these are only things you can identify if you actually journal and gather data. Man, and the sad thing is, I know a lot of you guys in here actually don't. I know a lot of you guys in here don't. Hey man, good question. How did you start journaling before TradeZella? My best advice is build yourself some sort of document and journal every trade you take. Not only the trades you take, but what I used to do is I used to journal how I felt before I took the trade. So what you can do is you hop on for the session. Before you start trading, you journal how you feel for the day. I had a good morning. I slept okay. I woke up all right. I had a good morning routine. Or you want to journal all these things and then take note of how you're feeling before your session. And then go on, trade, do your thing. And then after the session concludes and you're done trading for the day, journal how you feel. How did the session go? How do you feel mentally? The session went okay. I followed my rules. Plan was followed. I feel great overall. I'm happy with the day. The plan was followed. Boom. There's your journal for the day. Done. These are things you want to journal. Not just always technicals. It's not always just journaling your trades. Journal how you feel mentally. And you'll notice common themes in your trading. Marco, how do you easily tell between good and ugly price? Bro, I've gotten that question before and there's just no really like easy answer. Like the delivery of price is not clean. It's not good. Per my system. The thing is, this could be, guys, you have to understand that price action for me could be gross, but it could be great for someone else. Different strategies. Different strategies. So the price action that we've seen recently, it doesn't favor my system too much. So I wait. Let's see what NQ does here. If we can print some sort of low right now, or maybe we come lower once more. We could spike out the low once more. We'll see. But I'm still, we'll keep a long idea in the bag still. I feel like longs aren't impossible. Oh, geez, chat, my back. What's good with me? What's good with me today? Yeah, guys, listen, for all my FX lovers in here, FX ain't looking so pretty today, so careful. Gold is having some sort of pullback right now. Nothing crazy yet. Still waiting for that 15-minute to close and stuff like this. So again, let's continue to wait on gold right now. German 40 is going lower. That's fine. Again, I do want to see it lower towards this low at the least. I don't want to be looking for longs until this low is taken out. So this might be entries tomorrow, maybe even Thursday on German 40. So I'll stay patient on that. We'll see. US 30 is at all-time high. So I'm not looking at US 30 right now, guys, or YM, whatever you guys want to call it. Yes, chat. We got some people in the stream saying, like the stream. Like the stream, man. Like the stream, man. Show some love. I appreciate every single one of you. All right, we're getting a little bit of a reaction right now on NQ. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna frame this out right now. Let's frame this out. So we've come down and trapped buyers on the M1 here. Now, if we print some sort of low right here, we start breaking up to the upside and we get some sort of build up of liquidity. I want to see price below and then we'll look for longs. Boom, done. That's an example of a buy we can frame out. We have to print a low here though. If we don't, maybe we induce lower once more. There's a possibility we come lower, we sweep out this low once more, and then maybe we can start looking for longs. I don't know. There's a couple different scenarios right now, so we'll wait patiently. Gogu, good question. Marco, when you trade FX, how do you trade? Scalp, swing, which session? I swing. Intra-week / swing, because it all depends what you guys define these terms, how you define these terms. For myself, when I take FX trades, I'm not looking to take an FX trade and be out in the same day, unless there's just a insane move. Okay, so I like to take trades that play out maybe over the course of a couple days. I have these higher time frame targets in mind. Okay, that's just what I like. Okay, NQ has stabbed out the low once more, chat. Let's start looking at this. Keep an eye. What time is it? 9:45. So we just spiked out 15-minute. Getting a little bit of a reaction right now. What is NQ and CFD? Honestly, yo, if you guys trade this in CFD, I still look at NQ. Like if I was taking NASDAQ on CFDs, I still use this feed. But I believe you can use like NOS 100. It's NOS 100, yeah. I know the feed. I'm just saying, to be honest with you, even if I'm trading NASDAQ on CFDs, I'm always using NOS 100 as my feed. This thing is just fucking flying right now. It's taking out lows and flying, chat. Not giving us much of an opportunity to take a stab at it right now. Up 272 ticks on NQW, bro. Like I said, guys, if you guys are in longs, if you've gotten in longs in New York today, awesome. This is a target right here. I'm flat still. I'm in nothing right now. But if you are in longs, great target would be 25,443. Great target. Honestly, a perfect target. If there was an entry, something clean that cooked up for myself, this would be what I would hold it to. Again, 25,443. You're long on German 40, my brother. If you're long on German 40, it ain't per my system. Hey, listen, if your strategy says to take longs in German 40, all the power to you. I would not be taking any longs on German 40 though. What's gold saying? Meh, nothing on gold right now. Maybe if we can get, chat, if we can get something like this, gold comes up, runs higher once more, comes lower, and then maybe we can start looking for some longs. We'll see. Can you please make a video showing all your criteria for your entries? My bro, I have a shit ton of YouTube videos on how I view the charts, how to enter the charts, all that stuff. Why are people bullish? I mean, if I had to be looking for entries right now, I would not look for sells. It would be buys. I deem wherever we bottom out at, chat, this whole move is false. It's inducing sellers. So, well, yeah, wherever it bottoms out, man. There's a possibility if it respects this high, it could have a pullback, spike this area, and then go long. It probably is gonna fly though, chat. And right now though, as of this state, it's flying without us. Here we go. This thing's, it's gonna fly, chat. Which time frame is this? We're on the M1 right now. Marco, how is health now? You know what, guys? I'm doing okay. I'm feeling a little bit better physically. I don't know, man. It's a tough one because I've never had like a nerve issue like this. It's not muscle related, so it's so different to like a muscle related issue, this nerve thing, because some days it feels okay and then some days you're like, what the fuck? Like I thought I was feeling better. It's such a weird experience. I don't know, but I'm going to the doctor today actually. What would be your advice on trade management, like holding on to losers and cutting winners early? I mean, I holding on to losers. Yeah, I mean, my best advice is you should have a stop loss, and if it hits your stop loss, you're done. You're out. And another easy way of helping you on the winner side of things, guys, is this might be hard for you to understand, but you have a target. Hold it to your target. If you can't hold it to your target, practice to hold it to your target, because if you're just closing early based off a number on your screen, you're doing yourself a massive disservice because you're allowing yourself to close your trades early in the future. And that doesn't make any sense logically, right? All right, gold has spiked higher once more. If we can get a move lower on gold, maybe we can start looking for an entry back up. Gotta see a false move occur though, chat. Gotta see this happen. You have to go pick up the kids. I'll see you guys later. Yes, Thomas, take it easy, brother. I'll see you back here on Thursday, chat. And Thursday, I'll be streaming from Florida. I'll be in the Sunshine State, not freezing my ass off anymore. With the family, wifey's gonna be there. It's gonna be a good time. Are you a full-time trader? Yes, sir, Gusta. Love from Bangladesh. Much love right back to Bangladesh. All right, chat. So, listen, if anyone is in longs, a great trade management spot, a great partial point would have been right here at the highs. And now you'd be chilling kind of risk-free off the table. If it continues long for the session, awesome. You have a great target being up here. Zane Khan, if you were long on NQ yesterday, bro, I would not recommend. Yesterday, all it's done, look at this yesterday, chat, and this is why I did not want to trade this yesterday. We built at the lows. This was Monday, yesterday. Built at the lows, came up, spiked the highs, and boom, sell. Careful. NQ should fly though, chat. It should continue. Should continue higher. Are you permanently moving there? No, not yet. Maybe in the future. Hopefully in the future. I do want to live in Florida. Wifey wants to as well, so that's great news. Longs aren't finished on NQ though, chat. They aren't. I do want to see these highs taken. Marco, I have a nice question to ask you. Talk to me, bro. Jan, enjoy your time in Miami. Actually, Jan, I'm only going to Miami for one day. I'm visiting the other side of Florida, which is like Fort Myers area. and all my family that, like, usually we're never together all at once, but we're all going to be together at once for Christmas. So it's going to be nice. How does it work for a Canadian citizen? I believe that we can only be out of the country 6 months out of the year, max. Bro, Marco, in what higher time frame, what kind of PA liquidity you want to see? Gogu, I'm not sure what you mean, bro. According to your data, do the majority of your trades are entry based from liquidity block from the left or confirmation? Bro, honestly, the both. I need a liquidity block for an entry, though. That's a must. That's a must. That is a must. Marco, can you please look at GU? Okay. Okay. These highs can be a target. As of right now. Yeah, there's no way of taking anything. We've left these lows intact. There's no entries on gold. I mean, on GU. So I would not be in nothing on GU. The long idea is up to these highs, probably, most likely. I mean, one step at a time. You can say this high first would be your next target. But no entries yet. No entries yet. And same with kind of the other FX pairs. I don't really like much yet, chat. Nothing. We'll see. We'll see what we look like on Thursday on stream with FX. FX looks like poo-poo right now, chat. And you know what? I think Thursday will clear a lot of things up. Why? And you guys, this is just the nature of the market. And this is something you guys need to understand is we have CPI on Thursday. A massive news event on Thursday. So be careful tomorrow, especially because price action will probably be slower. I've been flat yesterday. Most likely due to price action right now, I might be flat today as well. We'll see. Maybe there could be a little bit of a scalp on NQ. But yeah. Marco, what can you say about quant trading? I don't know enough about quant trading to speak on it. I'm not too sure, my brother. Do you think AI will replace us? Traders? No. AI will replace a lot of jobs, though, for sure, around the world. I don't think it will replace traders. I think it will be more, not dominant. I don't think dominant's the right word. It'll be more, it'll be seen more, for sure. It'll be more common in the trader world. But I feel like the human trader will always be there. Marco, what do you do aside from trading, like in your free time? I have a lot more work I'm doing on the side. As of right now, of course, I have a little bit of a sciatic injury, but I'm usually running. I'm going to the gym a lot. Yeah, I'm honestly incredibly busy, day in and day out. So there's never a day I'm not doing anything, which is the way I love it. I always want to stay busy, man. That's what kind of brings me joy in life. Okay, we're getting a pullback on gold right now. Hourly bullish 30. Okay, so maybe the 30 comes down. We spike out 30-minute low. It's possible. Let's see if there's a continuation kind of opportunity on gold here, chat. These lows are on the cards too. Let's see. We need PA to be delivered in order to take an entry. There's nothing to take an entry off the left-hand side. So we need a confirmation-based entry. All right, NQ. Maybe we get a pullback here, chat. If we do, let's see what PA does below these lows. Could start looking for some entries. And we can take it into 25,443. Wow, Papa Riz in the building. Chat. Riz just closed out like, I don't know, 10, 15K on Euro. Riz, how much did you make? Tell us. How much money did you make this morning? Wait, let me get my mic. Riz, how much money did you make this morning? Because however much you made, you have to send me half. Okay? You make 10K, you send me 5. You make 20, you send me 10. Yeah, Riz smashed Euro out. He's been in those Euro longs for a minute now. Clean stuff. We'd love to see it, chat. We'd love to see it. All right, gold took out the lows. We'll continue to monitor lower time frames here. NQ, what we saying? We're getting a little pullback on NQ. It's the Sicilian Marco. He comes to collect the money. Mafioso vibes right there. Mafioso vibes. I love it. And I have an entry video on my YouTube channel. Check it out. It should answer any questions you have about entries. By the way, chat, this thing right here. No, this ain't an ad. This ain't an ad. This is a lifesaver in the winter time. Because my lips get chapped to shit in the winter. Fucking getting all dry and shit over here. Marco, what strategy does Papa Riz use? I think Riz got his own system. I think he uses a couple things I use. But he has his own kind of system. I don't know. He's got to speak for himself though. Maybe he's got like a little twist on it. Maybe a couple systems in one. But I don't know if Riz is still in here. Is he still in here, chat? Let me see. He is in here. I don't know though. Riz, if you're in here, how are you trading nowadays? Whose system, or how did you come up with your system? What kind of view do you have? Maybe you're plotting Fibonacci's upside down and up backwards and sideways and shit, and we just don't know. Maybe you got some secret sauce we don't know about, bro. You gotta let us know. Help us out over here. Help the family out. I know Riz pays attention to ranges. Yeah, he does use ranges, I believe. All right, we're going to pull back on NQ, chat. So, easy way to frame this out. Once we take the lows, deem this high to be a trap. So, any reactions you get at the high, trap. So, use that to your advantage. Like right now, let's just say we run the lows. Then we identify that buyers are in here. We get a false reaction here. Boom, you smash that buy and you smash that buy fucking with confidence. Marco, we request you to do an episode with Riz. My brother, I did a 2-hour long chart Fanatics video. If the mods can put the YouTube link in chat, that would be much appreciated. Here, let's see. Chat, should we call Riz and wake him up? Maybe he's sleeping on us. Maybe he has the stream open and he's just sleeping. One of my friends is telling me to look at ES. ES does look good. I don't trade it though. Oh, look, someone in chat literally typed that. Okay, so Jan said, if I'm not wrong, Riz said that he trades similar to Marco's strategy inside the recap he posted on Discord. Oh, there you go. Go for it. Okay, here, let's see if we can. Here. We'll piss him off for 20 seconds here. Excuse me, Riz. Can you say hi to chat? Because they just want you to say hi. All right, there we go. And then they also want to know, they're asking what system, what strategy do you trade? They're so eager to know how much money you made on Euro.
I use a combination of market strategy.
Oh.
And little bits of my own. But it's in the free Discord.
Guys, listen, you heard it. Thanks, Riz. Ciao. Guys, you heard Riz. If you want to know exactly how he took these Euro trades, this man just made like 30, 40K on Euro, whatever it is. He's floating a lot actually too, but he just made quite a bit. Join the Discord because he posts breakdowns. So you want to know exactly how he took these trades? He says he uses a bit of my system and kind of like a mixture of his own kind of thing too. But you want to watch the breakdowns? Get in the Discord, man. There's just free content in there. We're showing you guys how we take our trades. We're showing you. There's no... You know how you guys are looking for this golden key? It's not a thing. It's not a thing, guys. You know what the golden key is? You work your ass off and control your head, control your emotions. That's the golden key. Did you teach Riz your strategy? We like talked about it and stuff in the past, but most of the maybe he just like based off videos or breakdowns, or maybe him just watching streams. I don't know. But he uses like a liquidity perspective for sure. NQ is not playing nice because it's left these lows intact. Now listen, hold the highs, NQ, stab the lows. Please and thank you. If you do that, then there could be an opportunity for us. Gold is flying. Yeah, there's no way of entering this shit, man. Like I told you guys, I need a confirmation based entry. We spiked the lows and just moved up. There's no way of me taking this. And it is what it is. That's fucking trading sometimes, bro. I'm trying to combine Marco strategies, Ali Khans, and Jade Caps. My boy Kyle, aka Jade Cap, is he's a demon on the charts, bro. So definitely go take a look at his content. That man's got value for days. Value for days. W Marco for your content. W right back to you. What's your name? Praveen. Much love, bro. ES did take the lows. LOL. I just looked at what your buddy said. Yeah. We'll see what NQ does here, chat. If we can get it moved down, we still got these lows intact. Still got these lows intact. Hold the phone, chat. Hold the phone. If there's a will, there's a way. Night Drop Aura says, I could not agree with you more, Marco. Work your ass off and stop blaming the strategy. It's so true, chat. And who did I talk about this with recently? I don't remember who I talked about this recently, but guys, you have to understand, trading is a game. People think there's perfection in trading. It's not. It's impossible. So with that mindset, that perspective, it will hold you back for so long, because if you think there's a way of mastering these charts and perfecting them, it's impossible. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in this rat race, this toxic cycle of recycling strategies, going through this strategy, this strategy, this strategy, and wasting so much time and effort. It's impossible. It's impossible to have 100% strike rate. It's impossible to be winning all the time. The people that learn to manage their risk, the people that learn to manage their emotions, are the ones that are going to go far and make a shit ton of money in this industry, in this game. All right, chat. NQ is below this low now. Let's see. I need some sort of lower time frame entry. That's all I need right now. I need something to cook up because I'm not comfortable. Just first of all, RR-wise, me taking a buy right here, and I'd have to keep my stop loss. Per my system, my stop loss would have to go right here. And look at this. I ain't taking a 1-to-1. It's just not for me. It's just not what I do. So I need the confirmation to cook up for me here. We got liquidity sitting above 43.51 on gold. Is it worth shorting there? 43.51. No. Listen, bro. Guys, you have to be careful shorting gold right now. Definitely be careful shorting gold. I would not be shorting this market. I don't care about any sort of hindsight bullshit. I would not be shorting this market at all on gold. My personal opinion. Marco, don't you think buyers are already induced? So guys, if you're saying buyers are induced, you're failing to have the proper perspective on the charts right now, and that's because you're looking at it from a pattern perspective. Just because we have taken out this high does not mean I can't look for buys anymore. Look at the liquidity we have from the left hand side. Liquidity over anything. Okay, that brings me logic. That brings me reasoning. Just because I've taken out this high does not mean I can't look for buys anymore. That's incorrect. That's looking at it from a pattern-based perspective, and I don't trade patterns. I trade logic, reasoning, and that comes from me just understanding liquidity. My theory, my strategy. Earlier you marked 1 hour liquidity in gold, so we don't target them. Guys, if you're in longs down here or something on gold, yeah, hold this shit. But listen, other than down here, and even trading down here, I don't see much. Like, look at this PA we got. Look at this. It's just, and this is the nature of PA before NFP. This shit happens. Yeah, nothing on gold yet, other than maybe down here. But again, like I said, down here was not pretty either. All right, we got the 15-minute candle closing here in a minute 30 seconds. It would be ideal to see this low go. Okay, and then maybe the longs happen. This ain't like a bread and butter kind of setup, chat, but it's definitely worth a trade if we can cook an entry up over here. We got time. Time's on our side. We have a buy target. Okay. We just need PA to be our friend and cook something up here. NQ took 4 hour high. I see that. I still think we can squeeze along out of this, chat. I still think we can squeeze along out of this. Like I said, it's not a bread and butter setup. There's some red flaggy things that I don't love, and that's when that happens, you just have to learn to size down and accept that not every trade is going to be in a great amount of profits. Marco, is your strategy self-made, modified? Yes, sir. It is. Just fucking comes from raw and a shit ton of experience on the charts, bro. A lot of time. Honestly, I don't know if even this sounds crazy, but the charts taught me my system. That's how I look at it. What other red flags? I'm not incredibly confident in my bias. We've traded above this high. Don't love to see that because that was also a 4-hour high and hourly high. So we could see a move back down. So these are things I'm just keeping an eye on. So I don't mind sitting on my hands today. I really don't. I don't care to force any type of trade. So if I end up sitting on my hands, I sit on my hands. It's no big deal. No big deal to me. So there's a couple different things I'm keeping my eye out. When I have, the thing is, chat, when I have a couple different scenarios that I can see playing out still, that's when I like to pump the brakes and wait a little bit more. Maybe I need more price action. Maybe I need to size down. These are things I'm staying aware of. I can't just go full risk all the time. I understand that being in the place I'm in now with the experience I have under my belt, I can't just go full risk all the time on my trades. There's just sometimes there's setups where I lack a little bit of confidence. It is what it is, man. What age did you start trading? Man, I heard about trading. How old was I then? 5 years ago? Mid-20s? Mid-20s? Check German 40 out. German 40 coming for the lows. Yes, sir. Not really much going on German 40 yet, my brother. And then FX, meh. Yeah, guys, like FX looks caca, man. Gold back down to the lows right now. You know what this is doing, right? This is inducing traders left, right, and center. This is building liquidity for traders. Look how many times it's taking out the highs, taking out the lows, taking out the highs, probably going to come for the lows. So this is just building a shit ton of liquidity right now. So for the impatient trader, they're losing a lot of money right now. And a lot of people are like, oh man, why aren't you entering gold right now? I understand when to sit out, and this is a good time to be sitting out and waiting. It doesn't mean I'm not going to trade it. It just means right now there's just no opportunity. Marco, do you trade FX pairs? I do, actively. I have 300K. I'm going to be max allocated on a firm shortly, probably. I trade FX actively. I just understand that sometimes FX takes a while to give nice price action, and right now is that time. Oh. Chat, all my socials are in the description of this live stream below. If you guys want to follow me on my socials, more than welcome to. If you guys don't like me and you don't want to follow me, man, you know what? I'll be sad. But I respect it, bro. I respect it. What's the benefit for you to trade on a firm? Absolutely no risk for me, bro. Well, I don't want to say absolutely no risk, but next to no risk. Next to no risk. And to be honest with you, yes, I could go trade on a proper futures broker for a personal account, but I'm not gonna lie, there ain't a lot of options for me in North America to trade on some good Forex personal brokerages. There ain't a lot of options. Like you guys out there in Europe, like east side of the world, Europe, Middle East, you guys have some good options for brokerages. I don't over here. But I know that I can make great money, and I have made great money on prop firms in the Forex space, so I just will continue to use that until it's not an option. I already follow you, mate. Much love, Lance. $300,000 account for a $98 fee. Yeah, there you go. Apex, I know. Apex's accounts are, it's crazy. When it's 80-90% off, if I needed accounts, you got to be using these discounts. That's what I was telling even everybody around Black Friday times. Like, guys, these discounts, they don't stay around. They don't stick around all the time. So take advantage of these discounts. Always. What's gold saying? Look at this, guys. Look at this. You know how many people are getting trapped to shit right now in gold? Like the common retail trader. Let's see what happens. If this thing continues, let's look. We have hourly low it's coming up to. Still waiting here, chat. Guys, for all you lovely individuals in here that are telling me to look at forex pairs, guys, listen. I'll say this, and I'll say this with the most love possible. I don't know where these FX pairs are heading to right now. That's why look at the right side of my list. Look at my chart. You see all my pairs? These are the pairs, the red ticked ones. I have a decent idea of where they're heading. Look at all my FX pairs. No red ticks. Because I don't know where it's heading. If I don't have a setup on a pair, I just don't look at it, guys. Because then what's going to happen is subconsciously I'm going to try and force something. I'm going to make myself find some sort of setup. And then I'm starting to take entries that I would never take. So why am I going to look at a pair that I have no setup on, right? Ain't no... And the same thing goes for you guys. If you guys don't have any setups on your pairs, just don't look at them. Gold. Let's see, man. There could be a continuation on gold. It's possible. It's possible, chat. I don't want to see just continuous though drop and flies though, because I won't be able to catch that. I am short on US 30. Let's go. Hopefully that's going to be a little W for you, or a big W. Oh my god, you guys are so keen on me looking at these FX pairs, even though I tell you I don't know where it's going. Why would you want my opinion on it if I don't know where it's going? Or if I don't have a setup on it? Guys, is wifey in chat? Oh my god, I don't think wifey's here. Oh my, never mind, sorry. Wifey's here. Why would I ever doubt her? Am I stupid? Am I stupid? Why would I ever doubt wifey? How many trades you generally take a week? Probably anywhere in between 2 and 4. Sometimes I don't trade, guys. You have to understand. Maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 0, donuts, flat, and then Thursday, Friday, I have 2-3 trades. Guys, the thing is, I just take it for what it is. Every week is different for me. Sometimes there's a month of just a trade every single day, an opportunity every single day. Sometimes I go a month and there's like 3 setups in a month. The thing you have to understand about my system is I trade once I view traders to be trapped, is what I call it, right? That's my edge. I like to catch those like false moves, you can call them, whatever. Now, are they going to happen every single day? No. They're not. Wait. Tiger Trade says wifey is your biggest fan. 100% wifey's my biggest fan, man. 100%. All right, gold, come on. Let's see. We're waiting. We're being patient. Let's see if you reward us with our patience. NQ below the low. Let me remove some of these drawings. Marco, how do you control time like Doctor Strange? It's moving so fast. Yo. 1 second, chat. Sorry. Who's wifey? Wifey's in here. And you know what? Listen, wifey's got power in chat. So listen, anybody talking shit in chat, you know, she might have to time you out. She might have to put you in timeout. Put you in the timeout corner. Sit you on the bench. Have a little conversation with you to tell you to smarten up. I don't know. Who knows? But wifey's got some she's got some pull over here, man. Aussie right now, chat. Oh man, in a perfect world, I'm telling you guys, in a perfect world, if Aussie comes below these lows, we look for longs. How are ya? We look for longs. And then you buy this thing and you hold it all the way up here. Okay, because Marco said so. Wait, up here, because Marco said so. In a perfect world. Are you waiting for both blue lines to get crossed? Well, I don't know which one you're talking about. You know what we're gonna do though, chat? Even though it's gonna take some time to play out, I'll put Aussie on the watch list for Wednesday and Thursday, just to remind me in a couple days to look. For today, nada. Gold, come lower. Let's take the low out once more, chat. Let's take this low out once more on gold. Yeah, please and thank you. I remember when you had wifey pick the winners from the chat and the whole chat froze. She broke the internet. I remember that. I remember that. We actually crashed stream when she was choosing the winners. The stream actually crashed. That was insane. By the way, chat, everybody in here right now, we're gonna be running some giveaways shortly. Let me get the word. Let me get the word on what we're giving away. Let me see what we got for today. Let's see what Ant has for us, man. Listen, I'm not the boss. I'm not the boss in here, okay? Anthony tells us what we can give away. I don't know what we can give away, man. Maybe we're giving away manure. Okay? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I got word. Chat, listen. Chat, listen. Are you guys... Chat, listen. Yo. 1 second. Chat, listen. Can you guys can't hear me? Oh no. Apex. Funded next. Tradezilla. We got you. We got you. That's the giveaways we got today. Apex, funded next, Tradezilla. Oh my god, yo, this price tag just bouncing around, bro. And Q, give us something, man. Stabs the low, we're going back long. And it's doing one of these. It's like fucking, I don't know, man. Can this shit just like take a low out, chill for a moment, like build us an entry? This fucking bouncing forth, it's giving me anxiety. Bro, can you share your biggest milestones with us? I had one of my biggest biggest days ever from a single trade this year. That was 14,000 on a gold short. That happened in October, November. But we talked about it last time on stream, and the account was actually in drawdown. So it wasn't actually $14,000 straight to me, because the account was in drawdown, and it was in the drawdown like 5-6%. Actually, I lied. I think it was more, like 7%. So $14,000 wasn't all mine, because some of it was drawdown on the account. But that was my single biggest trade I've ever had. That happened this year. That's like a financial goal. I don't like talking about financial goals too much. It's just the kind of person I am. But that was what the biggest trade I've ever had in a single entry. What is the most efficient way to learn? Just raw consistency and time, my bro. Just fucking smashing out the charts as much as you can. Find a system that you resonate with. Find a system that you enjoy. Study it. Apply it over and over and over and over. And then once you feel like you do have a good understanding of it, like you can identify setups in real time, in live time, because that's the hardest part about trading a new system. Once you feel like you have that, then you have to learn how to not master the mind, but control the emotions as much as possible. So identify strengths and weaknesses. Try and turn those weaknesses into strengths. Maybe you have a lack of discipline and patience. Maybe you struggle to pull the trigger. Maybe you have FOMO, so you're entering too much. Identify these things and fix them. Boom, that's the roadmap right there. The roadmap to 10K months. I see a lot of kind comments in chat, guys. I want to let all of you guys know, even though I don't read all of them like out loud, I do recognize all these comments in chat, and I do appreciate all the kind comments you guys send in here. Truly, it actually means a lot. We do have a little bit of we have some trolls and clowns that come in chat and say some stupid shit sometimes. Honestly, I could give a shit what they say. I know that most of you guys rock with me, and I want to say that I do appreciate every single one of you for hanging with me on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It never goes unnoticed, truly. I read all of your guys' messages. Again, sometimes I don't read them out loud just because there's a lot. But I do recognize all the kind things you guys say, and it doesn't go unnoticed. It truly means a lot. And it makes this more enjoyable for me, because it means that you guys are actually enjoying your time here, and you're gaining some sort of value, and you generally just love tuning into the stream and shooting the shit with me. It's a good time, man. It truly is a good time. So I do appreciate you guys. Honestly. And you know what? You know what I'll do? Guys, listen up. Listen up. Next Tuesday, okay? Everybody here, listen up. Next Tuesday, I'm going to run a personal giveaway in stream next Tuesday. Okay? So next Tuesday, show up to the chat. And I'm going to run my own giveaway to you guys to chat, because I want to show you guys how much I appreciate you guys. So yes, we'll be doing giveaways for our normal giveaways for Apex, Funded Next, Trades Out, all the good stuff. But then at the very end of the stream next Tuesday, a week from now, I'll do my own giveaway for you guys, because I want to give something back personally to you guys for being such awesome individuals and hanging with me and bringing the good vibe. So I'm going to do my own giveaway for you guys next Tuesday, end of stream. So hop in next Tuesday, and I'm going to be giving back to you guys, okay? And in the spirit of the holiday season around the corner for you guys, whoever celebrates Christmas, whoever celebrates Christmas, I'm going to be giving back to you guys next Tuesday, end of stream, just to show my appreciation to all of you guys. Truly. So be there. We'll have a good time. It'll be our last stream before the holidays, man. So we'll have a good time next Tuesday. NQ is showing us reactions, chat. Gold, no bueno. I don't like nothing on gold right now. We're getting this high taken out, so I want to see it back down to this low, and then maybe a long. NQ is starting to cook something. Okay, we've taken out the low. We're starting to build a little bit on M1. I do like the highs to go still, chat. I do like the highs to go. So right now, I'll tell you guys what we can start looking for, just because price action is starting to make more and more sense here. We've taken out the highs. Awesome. Price has come back down to take out the lows. Fine. No problem. I still have a bullish idea in mind. Okay, so we've come back down to take out 9 a.m. low. Now I need the lower time frames, and we talked about it so much, chat. We talked about it so much. I just need the lower time frames to cook an entry up for me. Okay, so if maybe we run lower once more, and then an entry starts cooking up. Okay, and we have a level of liquidity built. Maybe we can take a buy down here, right? I look, if you guys haven't recognized this by now, I look for the same thing. So for the people in here that ask me, what are you looking for in NQ? Guys, I look for the same thing every single time, right? I need to see price create some sort of an LB for me. So this could be a possible one. However, I always pair my LBs, my liquidity blocks, with liquidity. Right now, the only point of liquidity I can see is we've taken out this high. Price can easily come back down for this low, unless we engineer more liquidity. So I need to wait. And I say it a lot. Yes, patience is my fucking best friend in this game, guys. Without patience, I'll be blasting fucking entries left, right, and center, and I won't be making no types of money. So I need to see the same thing over and over and over. Yo, my back is shot. God damn, chat. Damn. I'm trying to win that on the Instagram. Yeah, I'm also running a giveaway on Interequity's Instagram. So if you don't follow, actually, yo, let me reword this. Okay, Wifey is running a giveaway on one of my Instagrams. So if you guys go follow all my Instagrams in the description below, you'll see that we're running a giveaway. Again, in light of the holiday season, man, we're just trying to give back, man. You know what I mean? Showing some love, some appreciation. That's it. That's what it's about. But this was Wifey's idea, actually. So everybody say W Wifey in chat. W Wifey. Let's go. Thank you. Marco, do the rotation I explained above and then something warm it on. What do you mean by Tiger? What do you mean, bro? What's that? Oh, shit, man! I gotta. Oh, look, everybody's spamming W Wifey. Let's go, man. Yo, I'm clapping. Saul asked me, how many trades do I take a month? Man, it could vary. I'm always going to give a range because every month is different. But let's just say 2, 4, 8, 8 to 16 a month. Think about that. Sometimes I'm taking 8 trades in a month. A lot of people can't understand that for some reason. I don't get it. Maybe you guys will get it in the future sometime. But, man, the sooner you do understand that, the more you'll progress in this difficult game of trading, my friends and family. I need $1. $1 is what I need. Is that a song? I think that's a song. Am I slow? Tiger, I'm trying to follow your instructions over here. Maybe I look a little stupid right now. I'll practice some of my rotations after stream. Wifey, thank you. I hope I win the IG giveaway. Joke's on you guys. Yo, I entered the giveaway as well. You know what I mean? I entered the giveaway too, so I hope I win the giveaway. Sorry, guys. That's just how it is. German 40 is not far away from the target. Yes, sir. Guys, remember though, this is a higher time. I'm looking at this from the 4-hour perspective. Don't just smash buys down here right away. Give it some time, man. Patience. The thing is, guys, and you'll realize this, the times that you actually learn to stay patient, and then, like, let's just say you stay flat on Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday comes along and there's a setup and you take it, it hits the target, bro. You know how much of a better feeling that is to know that, okay, I was able to sit on my hands for 2 days, and then on Wednesday came along and the setup came and I smashed it. Followed my plan, dude. Those are like, they feel the best because like you practice your plan to a T. You were able to stay patient in conditions where it wasn't favorable to your system. And then there was a setup that was favorable to your system. You took it, you smashed it, you followed your plan, boom. Those are the ones you're just like, damn, fucking give yourself a clap. Those feel the best because you're proving to yourself that you can stay disciplined and patient through the shittier conditions. And that's where traders fail. That's where they screw up, man. For the people that trade crypto in my community, people trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just the bigger coins. Hi, Marco. Since your RR is quite big sometimes, price might reverse a few pips to hit in the TP. In such case, how do you manage the trailing drawdown? I never trade any firms that have trailing drawdown. I haven't yet, at least. I don't trade firms that have trailing drawdown. What about X giveaway? I don't have an X giveaway, but let me see if I can. I'll see if I can cook something up. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure. How do you train your mind to be strong? Honestly, guys, I don't think there's any shortcut to like the psychology game, the psychology side of things. There's just no shortcut. There's no one answer that'll just be like, wow, I have it down now. There's not. The thing is too, it takes everybody a different amount of time. Maybe like for me to understand one concept on the psychology side of things, it might take me months. It might take me years. But for maybe Jonathan that just started trading, it could take him a month or two. Everybody's different. So that's why I always tell you guys, identify your weaknesses in trading. Identify what's holding you back, the common mistakes you make over and over and over and over. And then you have to tell yourself, okay, cool. I suck at this. I need to get better at it. Now, there's not just one way of getting better at it. No, you need to practice it over and over and over. And eventually it gets easier. And when it gets easier, you make less mistakes. And then when you make less mistakes, you see more results, right? But there's just no do one thing and you're going to be okay going forward. No, it takes time. It takes effort. It takes fucking hard work. This shit ain't easy, guys. And I've said this a million fucking times. If you're looking to make millions of dollars in trading by getting into it right away and looking to see results come in like this, no, that shit's not possible. And if someone told you it is, guess what? Scam! Scammer! They lying to you, bro. You know, and guys, this is the perspective you need to have as well. For the people in here, understand this. This is the last full trading week of the year. Now, with that perspective, I really don't want you guys showing up to the charts every single day thinking, oh my God, it's the last full trading week. I need to take trades. No. Why? Long-term vision. Always long-term vision. Long-term vision. Don't have that perspective that you show up and you feel like the charts deserve to give you a trade every day. Don't. You're fucking yourself over, man. You're holding yourself back. This is a game of less is more. Understand that. This PA is trash today? Yeah, it ain't. I mean, maybe for some people's systems it could be good. Like maybe, I don't know, people trade in inverse fair value gaps and like they look for 1-to-1s. Maybe there's opportunity for them. I don't know. But for my system, yeah, ain't nothing pretty so far. So we sideline when nothing's pretty. It ain't that hard to understand. It ain't that hard to understand. If nothing's pretty, I don't care, man. I'll just sit on my hands. You guys know, and like look at last week, for example. When the time is right, I will hammer trades. Trust me. I'm not afraid to pull the trigger. I've been trading long enough to know when I have a setup, I'll fucking hammer it. Amen, Derilia. Amen. How do you figure out if longs or shorts are trapped? Guys, it ain't too difficult. And if you guys are new here, I'd recommend going to watch. I have a 2-hour long video on the Chart Fanatics YouTube channel. And you know what's pretty crazy? Let's go take a look at this quickly, chat. Let's go take a quick look. Let's go take a quick look. Here we go.
If you're not using footprint charts, you could be missing.
One sec. All right, yo, chat, take a look at this. We posted our Chart Fanatics. Yeah, we posted this 4 months ago. What date was it? August 3rd. August 3rd, we posted the Chart Fanatics video, and we are almost at 500,000 views. I can't even. How is that possible? How have we done that? It's at 450k views. If you guys are new in chat, I definitely recommend watching this. But honestly, much love to every single one of you. Whoever watched this video, whoever left a beautiful like, comment, whatever. 2 hours long, me and Riz recorded that shit, and you guys are popping off on it. 450,000 views, bro. Blows my mind. We have to do a chat. Do me and Riz run back a part 2? Did we run back a part 2? I've watched it 3 times, yo. You the real MVP. Oh, okay, so everybody wants part 2. Listen, we're gonna have to talk to Riz, and we'll get something cooked up for you guys. We'll definitely get something cooked up. Maybe we'll try and change it up and do some crazy shit. We'll try and change it up and do some crazy shit, but yeah, man. Honestly, it's crazy to think that I remember we recorded that Chart Fanatics video, and guys, I'm not big on socials. I'm not out there like that. I've never really been out there like that. Like, I don't post content on my personal page. I just post what I want, have fun with it. So I'm not big on social. So I thought the video was just going to do like whatever, 20, 30k views, whatever, 40k views. It's one of the biggest videos on the Chart Fanatics channel, and man, like it honestly, it blows my mind. 450,000 views. What is that? I don't know, man. Is it going to hit like 500, 600k next year? It's insane. It really is insane. We need a part 2. I've watched the video 4 times. Yo, you guys are crazy. That's so sick. That is so sick. I'm not gonna end stream right now, by the way, guys. We might run stream a little longer today because I want to continue to look at NQ. The only problem is my puppy is at the groomers, and he is ready to get picked up. So I'll stay. Let me text him and see if I can pick him up a little bit later. Poor Charlie got his hair cut. He's probably all stressed out and shit over there at the groomers. He got his hair cut, and he probably wants to come back home. And his father is Just hammering the charts, streaming with you guys. But again, of course, before we leave as well, we have our giveaway. You know what we can do, chat? You know what we'll do? No. Wait, yeah. You know what? Since we're waiting right now. Okay. Let's let me sort the giveaway out. So we'll organize that, but we'll also stay on the charts and we'll run the giveaway at the same time. Okay? You know what? We'll do this word. We'll do this word here. Okay, guys, look at my screen. Look at my screen. Actually, I'm gonna hide it for a second. All right. Okay. We're gonna do the entries for the giveaway. There's a word on my screen. Okay, you guys can't see it yet. 1 second. I just need to get a word from Anthony and I'm gonna get your entries ready. Okay, boom. Holidays is the word for the entry for the giveaway, okay? I'm gonna get everything ready on my end just so we can, but we're gonna continue to look at the charts. But holidays, exclamation mark holidays, enter into today's giveaway. And we're gonna be giving away, listen up chat, we're gonna be giving away an Apex account, a Funded Next account, and a TradeZella subscription, okay? What else can you guys ask for? Come on now. Come on now. Let's go. Chat's going crazy. Chat's going crazy. Exclamation mark holidays in chat. You guys will be entered into today's giveaway. Yo, I was telling Riz yesterday. I was with Riz yesterday. Bro, I am actually loving the streaming. I am genuinely I'm so excited to hop on every single Tuesday and Thursday with you guys. Actually, such a good time. It truly is such a good time. Just to hang, even if we're not taking any trades. Honestly, I love it. Hanging out with you guys, it's such a good time. We have a lot of plans going forward, man, and even going into next year, a lot of things we're going to be fixing, changing, improving. I'm so excited. Okay, but that is it. We'll shut the, 1 sec. There we go. Okay, guys. No more entries on the giveaway. No more entries on the giveaway. Okay, what we'll do right now is, just because we're waiting on NQ, waiting on more price. We are waiting on more price. What we'll do is we're going to shut it down now. No more entries, chat. No more entries. And I'm going to get Anthony to send me the names over and we'll run the giveaway accordingly. Marco, please check out AU. Yeah, chat. Listen, I've been telling you all, man. I want to see longs below here, below basically 0.66 flat. Longs below 0.66 flat. Why am I saying it like that? W Marco, we are so happy to have you. You are a gem. Much love, Marvin. Appreciate the kind words, man. All you guys. I see all the kind messages. I literally see all of them. And I think we had like 450 people in here today. And we stayed there for quite a while. Do me a massive favor for this giveaway and for the stream. Toss us a big old like, please and thank you. It'd be much appreciated. That little thumbs up, it's free. Just toss a thumbs up. It helps us out. Yes, sir, guys. If you type the word more than once, you will get banned or timed out. So, I've told you. Oh my God. Okay, I got the names, chat. Lock in. Okay, wow, we have a lot of entries today. Holy shit. Okay, we're still waiting on NQ. It's moving bullish. Moving bullish with no entries, though. But we'll run these giveaways for now, and we'll hop back into the charts afterwards. So, lock in, chat. Here time. Let's go. Give me your time. Give me your attention. Give me your eyes. We got giveaways to run. Lock in. First one is going to be for a free Apex account. Free Apex account. Here we go. Here we go. We're rocking with the Wheel of Fortune. First winner is gonna be Rivox. Rivox, congratulations. Let's get a little clap for you, my man. You have won yourself a free account with Apex. So please show me a sign of life in chat. Let me know you're alive. Let me know you're doing well. You've won yourself a free Apex account. Where are you at? Where are you at? Type in chat. Let us know you're here. Let me know where you at. Oh, you're here. Nice. Good job. Okay. Please follow instructions in chat to claim your giveaway. Okay. Next account is going to be for a funded next, chat. Here we go. Drum roll. Here we go. Here we go. Lock in. Winner is going to be Cameron Rafi. Cameron Rafi. Congratulations. You have won yourself a free funded next CFD account. I'm losing my voice over here. Thanks, Marco. No worries, Rivox. I got you, brother. Congratulations, man. Happy holidays. Cameron Rafi, congratulations. You have won yourself a free funded next CFD. Show me a sign of life. Show me a sign of life in chat. Show me a sign of life in chat. Where you at, Cameron? Oh, here you are. Let's go. Congratulations, bro. Just please, again, follow instructions and you can claim your giveaway. Let's go. Congratulations. Happy holidays, Cameron. And congratulations. All right. Next is going to be for a 6-month TradeZella subscription. 6-month TradeZella subscription. Here we go. Lock in, chat. Come on. Here we go. Boom. Raj, you have won yourself a free 6-month TradeZella subscription to TradeZella. Congratulations and welcome to the TradeZella family. Come on now, let's go. Lock in, chat. We're gonna head back to the charts after this giveaway though, because we're gonna continue to INQ. We're gonna continue to INQ and see if we can cook anything up here. But congratulations on your winnings, guys. Raj, show me a sign of life in chat. Emrajit, sorry. You're right. Emrajit, where you at? Emrajit, where you at? Where you at? Talk to me. Oh no. Oh no, guys. We gotta do a respin? Oh, wait. Did I miss him? I missed him. There we go. Congratulations, bro. Let me get a little clap for you. Happy holidays. Welcome to the TradeZella family. Let's go, chat. Another W giveaway today. Let's see what the charts are looking like, though. That's it for giveaways right now. So, I mean, there's probably people in here that just show up for giveaways, and all the power to you. We're going to hop back into the charts, though. We're going to see what's going on here. Gold. I don't like, honestly, I really don't like to see longs above 9 a.m. low, chat. That's an easy one to identify here. I would not want to be a buyer above 9 a.m. low. So I want to see price below 9 a.m. low on gold. That's an easy one for me. If a long happens above it, so be it. It's not an entry I'll be in. That's fine. NQ right now could be cooking. We're starting to get some more price action here. I want to see price below this low. Pronounce full name, you funny person. You're just trying to make me screw up. I know what you guys are trying to do. I know what you guys are trying to do. You think I'm dumb? Come on, man. Pronounce full name? Yo, you're setting me up. This is a trap. You know I'm terrible at pronouncing names. Marco, do you ever use sub 1 minute for entries? Oh, hell no, bro. Listen, 1 minute is low enough. The 1 minute time frame is low enough. We went from 450 viewers to 390 once the giveaway ended. Ah, man, it's all good. It's all good. I'm not here for the viewers anyways. I'm not here for the viewers anyways. I'm here for you guys. The people that want to hang around. The people that want value. The people want to see trading. All that stuff. If they want to leave, so be it. It's all good. Why don't you take the NQ entry as soon as it got close to the first LB? What time of day are you talking about, CB mixed? Are you talking about down here? I would not take this because I always pair, and I've talked about this before, I always pair, excuse me, LBs with liquidity. Just because I'll draw something out, just so you can understand this in a diagram. Let's say I have a buy target up here. We come down, we take the low out, and we go low. I will not just buy here to buy here. I need to see liquidity. So let's say we build a form of liquidity here. Then I'll take that buy. I always pair it with liquidity. Always. Always, always, always. Liquidity is priority. Always. The real ones are still here. W. Let's go, guys. We're running a little bit late today, but hey. Hey. It's all good. Charlie's gonna have to wait. The poor pup is stuck at the groomers right now. He's probably like, my father just dropped me off. He doesn't love me anymore. I gotta go get the dog soon, bro. Bro, who is the other dude providing gems with you in IE trading? That is Abid. Abid is, I've spoke about him a lot. He's probably one of the best traders I know, personally. Hey, bro, your videos helped me a lot in trading. Thank you. Much love, bro. Shout out to you. The LB was from 5 a.m. You marked it below. Oh, this low down here. Yeah, no, I just wasn't confident in my bias to take this entry from the left, bro. That's it. That's really it. With the benefit of hindsight, sure. Could I say that I could have taken an entry below here? Sure. But again, just sometimes if I'm not confident in the direction, I won't take an entry just directly from the left-hand side. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. I want to see price back up to the upside though. So if I can get a confirmation entry, I'll take that shit. Marco, before TradeZella, what did you backtest on? I was backtesting on literally TradingView, replay tool. The bar replay on TradingView. And I did a lot of live testing as well, which is important. I see Adam ripping it too, bro. Adam is another homie that is smashing it, man. Honestly, Adam had a big blow up this year. And I love to see it because he's been putting that work in, man. And I saw him through his struggles and now I'm seeing him at his highs and he's done so well this year. So shout out to the homie Adam. Abbott is a hacker. Abbott is a hacker. I have fallen in love with your strategy. Damn. Fallen in love. Hold on a minute. I'm joking. I'm playing. Thank you for the thanks for the love, brother. I appreciate you. What's gold saying, chat? Gold's coming down to the low. We've been talking about it. We've been talking about it. Above, or sorry, I want to see price below 9 a.m. low. And if it goes long before it, not a move I want to be in, man. And that's fine. German 40 kind of holding the low right now. That's fine. This whole area is viewed as a trap for me. Honestly, we got some stuff to look at going forward throughout the week, though. Like, it's way better than yesterday. Yesterday, I turned on the charts and I was just like, the fuck, there's nothing. Look how many assets I have on my list. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10, 11 assets, guys. And there was zero, nothing, zero yesterday. So, why 9 a.m. low? Look on the hourly we got here. You can, I can make sense of this on the hourly alone. Look how price tapped into this area. And now there's liquidity below here. And then you open it up on the lower time frames. And we are building liquidity at this low. We are building liquidity at this low. So I want to see price below it. That's it. Listen, chat, and this is something a lot of you don't understand. If we go long right now, guess what? I don't give a shit about this move. I wasn't made for it. That's fine. I don't need to be in every move. I pick and choose my moves. That's it. Pick and choose. I'm picky. Fuck, what did I just do? Aw, man. Aw. I sorted it. Aw, man. My list is all screwed up on the right-hand side now. I gotta organize this. Damn. MNQ. YM. MYM. Where's MYM? Here. GC. MGC. Okay, that's fine. We'll put gold up here. Alright, I think we fixed the chat. Some way. Yeah, whatever. Okay, it's decent. NQ took your low. Yes, sir. We're watching. This isn't a direct entry. Guys, remember, I'm always entering at liquidity blocks. I don't view this area to be a liquidity block. Now, if it was, yeah, I'd buy the shit out of this. But it's not. So what we're doing right now is possibly creating one, which is what I want to see. This is the first step. So look, if we create a low here, and we go long right now, and create a level of liquidity, boom, I want to see price below. So it's a step-by-step process. And like, does it happen all the time? No, that's fine. I don't need it to happen all the time. I don't, man. I don't. I don't need it to happen all the time. You guys thought I fucking left and shit. I didn't leave. Come on, man. Gotcha. I'm sorry, chat. I'm losing brain cells over here. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, chat. I'm brain dead sometimes, man. I'm brain dead sometimes. You know what I'll show you guys? Let's see if I can pull up something here. 1 second. Let me see if I can pull up something here. Never mind. Best live so far? Yo, let's go. This is one of our best streams. W. You owe us a goodbye before you can leave. I will. Come on. You guys think I'll leave without saying goodbye? What kind of person would I be? Which one is better to follow, GC or XAU? Jonathan, sorry, but I didn't see your message before. Honestly, I would say whatever market you're trading. So if I don't want to be, and I don't really like trading gold on futures too much because I just like to trade indices just to keep it as simple as possible because I like to trade gold on CFDs. So if I'm trading gold on CFDs, guys, I just use the CFD feed. I just use XAU USD. That's it. Make it as easy as possible, man. You are so young and you just started. There's a big future for you, I guess, and I hope. If you scale to 1 billion, imagine how much you can do for charity. My brain with 40 is more fucked up. Oh yeah, it's crazy to think, guys, that yeah, I'm so new to trading still, and like I love the game of trading. I think it's awesome. It's changed me as a person. It's brought me a lot of opportunity in life, and I genuinely just love trading. I love how difficult it is. I love the challenges behind it. I love the hurdles, the failures. It's shaped me to be the person I am today. So, yeah, I'm a noob, man. I'm still new. I'm only a couple of years into this game. I'm excited to see where I'm going to be in 5-10 years from now. I have a lot of plans. I have a lot of aspirations and goals for myself. Marco, thank you so much. I learned a lot from you. I will be profitable soon. Let's go, bro. That's the vision we need. That's the vision we need. Unfortunately, chat, I'm gonna have to wrap this thing up soon, unfortunately, because yeah, I'm gonna need to go pick up the puppy, man. The groomer messaged me at 10 o'clock, and poor Charlie's been sitting around for an hour now. Fuck. Okay, you know what, guys? Listen, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to hop off. We ran a little bit late today. I tried to stay on as long as possible, but I do have to go pick up the poor dog. He's just sitting there chilling out and probably thinks I've abandoned him. But listen, I love you guys. Thank you so much for today. I enjoyed myself. What an awesome stream. I appreciate every single one of you. We still have a couple more streams before the holidays, so I'll see you guys on Thursday, same time, and at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on Thursday. Again, I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for hopping in, hang with me. Much love. Yeah, Thursday we got a stream. I'll be in Florida, so I'll be streaming from the condo in Florida, and then I will see you guys next Tuesday for our last stream before the holidays. Okay, but again, I appreciate you guys. Love all of you. Thanks for hanging. Trade safe. Be safe. I will see you guys on Thursday. Love you guys. Take care. Ciao.